Hello everyone, this is Rajesh Babu. Today I'm going to discuss about the pros of equity capital and cons of equity capital, and further I'm going to discuss about pros of debt and equity capital and cons of equity and debt capital. It is very important that in every business organization need to run their business operations effectively by raising the funds from the market. So it is need to know what is the pros and cons of the capital while approaching in the market. Let's we discuss about the pros of equity capital. It is associated with the least risk involved in equity financing to raise equity capital. Hence, there is no fixed repayment schedule to meet the borrower expectations. So, we need to remember that there is no fixed repayment schedule to meet the borrower expectations in the market. And also, it reduces the credit problems because the owner of the firm raise capital according to their business requirements and issuing the shares to the public. More cash flows are generated in equity financing. Most of the investors look for long-term growth rather than short-term benefits. Next, cons of equity capital. Profit should be distributed to shareholders from their profits. Example, value of share price, dividends, etc. Owners can lose control on business operations and investment decisions. This is the thing. And another one is when you are approaching a mixed capital approach. The mixed capital approach is a debt equity capital. This scenario selected by owners or investors according to their investment goals. The owner of the firm uses the combination for availing more benefits. That is the important in debt equity capital. The combination can reduce the risk level and further it will maximize the returns. Pros of debt equity capital. It eliminates the risk and reduces the risk, maximizes the returns. Business operations takes place without interception. It is suitable for both for short-term and long-term investment scenarios. That is the important thing where we can observe in debt equity capital. More cash flows generated for business activities. What are the cons of debt equity capital? Ownership problem arises in equity financing, but in debt financing, ownership may not arise. Decision making other authority. That is very important. Ownership problem will arise in equity financing because equity financing is entirely debt equity capital. Cons of debt equity capital. Ownership problem arises in equity financing, but in debt financing, ownership problem may not arise. It is common scenario that in equity financing, there will be ownership problem arises, but in debt financing, the owner is responsible for clearing the debt. Debt financing can avail tax benefits more compared to equity financing. This is the cons about debt equity capital. And thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe our channel.